everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juju, and today I'm just gonna do a quick tutorial how to remove text or design from an image that you got from Midjourney or Dali by using Canva Magic Eraser. First thing I did, I opened my Canva and I got the 1084 by 1084 template, and I already got my picture ready. So what I'm gonna do is click on edit photo and click on Magic Eraser, and I'm gonna zoom in so I can really delete the design the way that I want. As you can see, the brush size is you can use like between 30 or 40 to use on big image. But if, let's say, big designs, but let's say you're trying to delete like a small text or small design, you're gonna decrease the brush size. So as you can see right now, I make sure that I leave no crumbs. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure that everything is it get erased. Now that I'm done using the tools, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to add a design, another designs to the product, to the image. So right now I'm just looking for a design that I created from Midjourney, and I'm gonna add it to, here we go, I found it. So I'm gonna add this line, but as you can see, I'm gonna remove the background. Again, click on edit photo and click on background remover. Before I had to, Canva has updated so many ways and I love it. Before I had to save the image, I had to remove the background from a different templates, then save it as a PNG transparent, so that way I can have that. But now you can use both background remover and Magic Eraser at the same time. So as you can see, I just add the image. So now if you want to add a text, you just go on text, and then you just let's say you're selling this as a product markup, like, because I'm gonna be selling this on my Etsy shop, AI with Juju. Make sure you check it out as a product markup, because people are looking for t-shirts product markup, so that way they can add on their website. Let's say they have a new design and they don't have product markup, t-shirt product markup, so they go on Etsy and look for it. So if you want to learn how to create your own t-shirt markup, let me know in the comment and I'll come up with a video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, so I can create more videos like this on how to make money online with AI, how to make passive income online with AI. So as you can see, I already add my text. I'm just like fixing it with the line spacing, but you can add whatever text that you want after you remove that design that we had. So now we're gonna get to the next part where we're gonna remove the text and add our own either logo or another text. So as you can see, I got this Kindle image that I create on Dali. And if you guys, I have a 40 prompts guide ebooks that I create. I'm gonna put the link in the comments so that way you guys can check it out. I did like 40 prompts using Dali. So as you can see, I am removing the same process, like click on edit photo and then click on Magic Eraser and start deleting. You see how I just deleted the middle part because I want that little logo on top. And also I'm gonna put the brush size down so I can delete like the smaller text, so that way I can just leave it. You can add another text, like, probably your website or some your client's website, or social medias, or other text that you want to add. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a different text in there. I started with the AI with Juju, but I'm like, nah, let me do something more luxurious, because at first it was business luck something. So I went on elements to look for gold alphabet or gold letters when you're typing, and then I just find a couple that I like, and I'm just gonna use this type of element. And I like the way the shape of that element, the font or text look. Let me see. trying to put in the middle to see how it's gonna look. So I'm just gonna add another letter. I'm gonna add a letter R. We're gonna call it bar candle. Yeah, bar candle. That's it. This is it. This is the design, image, text, font, elements. So yeah, so you see, it's pretty easy. It's not difficult. Just like edit photo, um, and magic eraser, and that's all. And this is the final look for it. And why don't you go give it a try and let me know in the comments how it was for you. How was the experience? But as for me, this is amazing. I love the way Canva is making it happening for us in the AI world. Thank you for watching. See you next time.